Hi everyone, this is Jeff Abramson with MaxYourImage, and I'd like to introduce the fellow to my right here. His name is Reid Sherwood. He's sales manager with Classic Exhibits, and he's here with me today, and we're going to talk a little bit more about what's going on with Classic Exhibits in the marketplace. Reid, tell us a little bit more about what you guys are seeing in the market for exhibits and displays.
It's been a great start to 2011. It seems like after a pretty rough couple 3 years, it seems like there's some money out there again, and we're seeing a lot of larger exhibits finally being built. We're seeing higher end small exhibits being built. There's just kind of an upbeat, a little bit more of a happy buyer than there's been for the last 3 years. They're not buying because they're forced to. They're buying because it's time to buy, and they want something new and innovative and fresh look and a lighter, more cost-effective exhibit to
well,
use.
What do you see? Like what type of display is it? Photo murals or tension fabrics, or what are people buying today?
It's a fabric world now. It's all about how do you hang your graphic message made out of some form of fabric, whether it be tension fabric, stretch fabric. Lots of aluminum structure, a lot of bent metal, a lot of curves, kind of give it a little bit of a sexy swagger instead of, what we think of as the old ugly aluminum rental booth. That's long since a thing of the past. Now everything's designed with a purpose, and lighting is a big issue now. That's kind of the latest, greatest thing, is how you light your fabric. So we're seeing just a huge upturn. There are some new fabrics that Optima is now offering that allows you to backlight. So we've got some backlit light boxes that have been really hot. The Silicon Edge graphics, our Segway system, provides a great way to light fabric as well. It just seems like after some pretty lousy years, it seems like we're back and it's kind of fun again.
Well, it's interesting to see that clients are looking for architectural structure just as much as the importance of a high-impact graphic with a booth today, and with what Classic is doing really is really stretching the envelope as far as structure, correct?
Yeah, the beauty is with the designs that are happening now, it's easy to go 12, 16, 20 feet high because it's aluminum poles, and they're sturdy, they'll hold a ton of weight, but typically it's just fabric graphics up there. But if you need to put something high, there's lots of strength to support that. There's just so much that's being done, especially if you integrate some laminate panels in to add some curves and some good looking formica and some nice accents. There's really a lot you can do to create a great look.
Well, I also like the fact that with Classic Exhibits, you can actually watch your booth being built. When you put an order in through, when we order a Classic display, you can actually go to the Classic website and enter a key number in as a customer. You can actually see the production process. Tell us a little bit more how that works.
That's our Pika booth, and we have a couple cameras mounted in production, and you log in, and then you basically take control of the camera, and with your mouse you can click it and move it and zoom in and zoom out, and it kind of gives you that we're next door feeling, even though we're 3,200 miles away.
Yeah. And also the P5D, the Past 5 Day program,
yep,
which is also listed on the website. Tell us more about how that works.
Our marketing guru, Mel White, takes pictures. Well, our company takes pictures of everything as it goes out the door. And then Mel sifts through those things and picks something that's cool or different, or maybe we've done a lot of something, and that's maybe the P5D or Past 5 Days. So that goes on the website, which is now its own gallery and exhibit design search as well. So you can actually see real live jobs. Some of them don't have graphics on them, so they're a little boring maybe, but some of them are completed and finished, and it looks cool, and it gives you more feeling for the exhibit than just a nice rendering that's a conceptual design. It shows a real life exhibit.
You're actually seeing what people are buying, the types of products, the size of exhibits,
yeah,
whether kiosks, 10 foots, 20 foots, even tabletops. And I'd like to say that the website that Classic Exhibits put together, I think, is another one of your strong points in terms of being able to show customers capability, an extensive line of products.
We've worked hard at that. You have it on MaxYourImage.com. It's an easy place to find it. But there's 1,500 designs there that have either been built or designed, and it's a great starting point. It's a great place to look for ideas. You may not find exactly what you're looking for, but if you can find 3 or 4 elements, we can go to design and give you exactly what you're looking for.
Yeah, and also the fact that all engineering and all design for every exhibit is then posted to the site, so customers can actually, if they're at a trade show, they can actually, and if they need an instruction sheet, they can go right to the website and they'll be able to either pull or download the PDF of that particular booth. So how relevant is that to our clients?
Well, on Sunday afternoon, when you're in Las Vegas Convention Center and somebody left their setup instructions on their desk, it's nice to have that job number. You go to the bottom of the website and there you go, there's your setup instructions. And when you're paying double time at a convention center, it's much better to have your instructions than have 4 guys standing around wondering what to do next.
So speed and convenience is a way to save money. And I'd like to just say that we have on our website available for you to see classic exhibits. You'll see it from MaxYourImage.com. And if you're looking for something new for your displays, for your events, we'd like to be able to help you out. So give me a call, Jeff Abramson here, Max Your Image. That's 610-213-4194. You can check us out at MaxYourImage.com. I look forward to speaking with you soon. Thank you very much, Reid.
Jeff, thank you.
Good
Great
to see
seeing
you
again.